Okay, we're good.
Ba't di ka maglalaro?
Oh, yeah.
Ang good. Baka mamaya.
2 points. 3 points. 1, 2, 3.
Baka may maghanap. Bro. Good.
Points.
2 assist! Yun lang, walang assist.
Kuya, yung ano natin, yung...
Wala pa lang ano yung assist? Ang dami ko pa lang mga assist kanina. Who's foul? Who's foul?
Number 10, number 10. That's 2 team fouls. 2 team fouls. Yeah, 2 team fouls.
It's one.
Tumawag siya doon kanina, di ba?
No.
Walang tawag yan?
Alam mo. Take home.
1. Points. Wala.
Bakit pala last game?
Ayan na. Next time, wala, hindi na tayo ganitong kakalik.
Agahan natin.
Nasold yung 4 to 8.
Pass! Assist yun! Ang galing ni David.
Ha? Yung nahuli, Tres. Yung nahuli, sabi niya, Tres. Go like this.
3 points. David ah.
Yun nga eh. Huli. Oh! Ba't hindi nire-record?
Ha? Hindi ba nag-record?
Oh, there it is.
Ito po?
Ayan.
All good?
Three.
Boys! 4-2! Kapin eh.
Ganado, man.
Boys! Green! Casper! Casper!
Woods.
2-2, Antonio. Two points, jersey number 23, Kaiko. Villara, 4-2. Villara, back to back.
That was in, that was in.
Who's in?
That was in.
Number 15, good for 2. That's
Napagod yan. Bata pa kami, ganyan na yan. Screen!
8 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
10 pa lang. 10 pa lang yung kanina lamang.
Doon ulit block, kuya. Yes.
Kasi nakaturo.
Yeah. No,
Sabi ko kay Gabbard.
pag shooting sila doon pa rin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Ayos, gets.
Sabi ko kay Gabbard, maglagay na
Ito, may araw po rito eh.
Meron ba dyan?
Yeah.
Meron yata ako.
Yan na, ito.
Okay.
Kasi
Kita ko nga, yung kulay yellow na, pang-ubisan na.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, ito ba may araw?
Ngayon pala meron.
Oh, yun pala.
Yeah. Dalawa.
So, their ball?
Nagtataga tayo dito kanina, kaya hindi makita eh. Kasi, okay.
Yung pala, dalawa.
Kaya susundin ha.
Okay pa.
Okay.
So ngayon doon na, kasi
Dito.
dito kanina yung jump ball. So dito kaya.
So pag inbound, dito na ngayon.
Opo.
Pagka-inbound sa kabila.
Pagka-inbound na po.
Gugutom na ako.
Ito. Ayan. 3.
So,
1, 2, 3.
let's score 3.
Akala. Pass. No. Keep going. Sorry.
Hindi set niya.
Pinatay ko na.
Hindi na siya.
Yeah, for free! Alexis for 3!
Second period na.
Usa.
Right.
2 to 3.
Hindi. Itong 19 cast. Now step in.
Yeah, for 2!
Points. 2. Una naman. One team foul.
First team, foul, second quarter.
Yeah, second quarter. Ano yung quarter dito? Remember? Yeah, dito siya is supposed to be these ways. No. No. Yeah, man.
Yan, sulit.
Stepped in.
Grabe
Yeah,
yun,
Tres.
yun. The V for green! Convento for two. Rigor for two. Mayas eh, no?
Sponsor kaya. Kasama mo pag gano'n. Nice pass. Ooh. Second team foul. Check natin yung score mamaya. I think I messed up. Check natin yung score mamaya. I think I messed up. 7-2, yeah.
7-2, okay na.
We're good. We're good.
Di lang lumayo na. Higit lang kanina.
Yeah.
Dinamiss ko rin. Ano yung gold eh. Yan.
There you go. One. One for gold. Three. Hey, bravo. Points. Yes. Shooter talaga yun. Hindi natin nakuha sa ano eh, sa bukod eh.
Yeah? I don't think he tried out.
Downtown yun eh.
Benzema for 2! Meron daw kasama ano? Meron daw kasama... Uy!
$23 seconds! 21!
Good!
Okay, third period. Ano yung period yun? Yung quarter natin dito, paano ano? Paano yung show?
49-38.
49-38?
No, hindi ka na nalagay sa 49-38.
49 to.
49 to. 38.
Yung quarter ano, Mark? How do you do it?
2. So third na.
Oo, sa turn niya. Anong finish mo?
Wait.
Oh, that's ano. Ito kasi dapat siya eh.
Ito no, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oo, yun dapat yan eh. I don't know what to press. Are we changing sides? Change sides na?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Ganun lang pala.
Yeah, oo ito. Change sides.
Alam mo, ginawa namin kanina.
Ano ginawa mo?
Set namin lahat.
Yeah.
Change side na.
There's a natural bond for change side.
Oh, really?
Oo.
Kanina nagmamanual tayo eh. Oh, that's nice.
Clear ko yung foul. Clear yung foul.
Tapos yung arrow.
Ito, ililipan natin was the
Yung ano, yung manager.
Dito kanina.
So it's black ball.
Kabila.
It's black, yeah. Black ball! Pero yung ano, yung one ano.
Tinap ka, di ba?
Sa third na.
Third na.
Third na.
Pagpunta ako eh. Remaining court. Roll. Ano na?
Black. It's black. There you go, change. 2. 2. Three. 1.
3 points! 3 goals!
There you go.
Grabe ang David.
1, 2.
MR Realty ba? MR Realty.
Sino yun? Hindi, di real to. Insurance. Market go or ano. Andre, takbo!
Nice.
1 team foul.
2 brought to you by Mike Rigor Insurances.
You guys got timeout, eh? 2 timeouts still. Both teams. It's good.
Wow!
Hey!
Sayang, Hero. Talaga po, Hero.
Gusto mag-timeout po yan. Gusto mag-timeout. Yeah.
Uy!
On the way! It's okay, kuya. It's okay. It's okay. Get back, get back, get back. Uy! Yeah, it's third, it's third. Yeah,
Third?
yeah it's third, it's third. Hey, Ben, you got 2 timeouts. All right, then. Both teams got 2. It's third, it's third.